The producers and distributors of Tech AV technical training programs welcome you to program number 3 in the series Mechanical Threaded Fasteners, in which we're going to learn some important basics of fastener selection and fitment procedures. In the previous program, we learnt how to identify sizes and threads. We shall now build upon this knowledge as we learn how to further describe a fastener. Whenever we go to purchase fasteners or ask for a batch delivery of fasteners, it's important that we provide the supplier with the correct information. The correct way to describe a fastener is to give the size and pitch, the nominal length, the material or grade, and the type of fastener required. For example, this fastener is fully described as being metric, 10 mm by 55 mm long, of 8.8 grade, and it is a bolt. The letter M indicates that we require a metric standard thread, or in other words, the coarse version. Should we require the fine version of metric, which in the 10 mm size has a pitch of 1,25 mm, then we must state the pitch in brackets after the size as shown. Fasteners are made from various materials, the commonest being steel. Various grades of steel are used, depending upon the application. Metric fasteners, which display an M marking, such as this example, or the number 4 point something, such as this 4.8 mark, can be classed as being mild steel, which is a commercial grade. Higher numbers, like this 8.8 grade, indicate a higher grade, or tensile grade of steel. Many cap screws are of high tensile grade, as shown here by the marking 12.9. The markings A2 and A4 indicate that the fasteners are made of stainless steel. Other materials are less commonly used, such as copper, brass, and aluminium. The selection of grades and material types is generally made by the equipment manufacturer. Our job is to ensure that we always replace any fasteners with the specified material. After the break, we shall look at practical examples on fastener selection.